Hello, Auntie. I've missed you. My dear, I've been waiting for you. It's so good to see you. It's so peaceful here.
Yes, the land is good to us.
I love walking here with you.
It smells wonderful, dear.
Thank you, Auntie. Would you like to taste?
Yes, please.
The warmth of this fire brings back so many memories. It feels like home.
Is that enough, Daddy?
Yes, beta. Now let's check the
It
consistency.
smells wonderful.
It will be perfect. Smelling very good.
My dear, it warms my heart to see you. May you always carry our traditions with pride. Hello, my dear. It is so good to see you. I have missed you very much.
Is the consistency right, Grandmother?
Yes, dear. Just a little more stirring.
I made these for you.
Oh, they look wonderful. Please have one.
Thank you, my dear. I made these for you.
Oh, they look wonderful. Please have one.
Thank you, my dear.
Here, taste this.
It smells wonderful.
I made it for you.
Thank you, Auntie. Grandma, the cookies are ready.
They look wonderful, dear. Here, try one. You first. Delicious. Here, you must try some. It smells wonderful, dear.
Just like you taught me, Amma.
You're a natural. It smells wonderful, dear.
Just like you taught me, Amma.
You're a natural.
On nights like this, I think of the old days. The rain brings back so many memories. Cherish them. Thank you so much for coming to see me. Warms my heart.
Thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome, my dear. It's good, isn't it?
It's delicious. Does this look right, Daddy?
Yes, beta, just a little more.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you could join me. Today, I'll show you how to make a traditional dish.
It's almost ready.
It smells wonderful. Would you like to taste?
Yes,
please.
That looks lovely, dear.
I'm glad. It suits you so well.
My dear, you have grown into such a fine woman. May you always be blessed.
Thank you.
Bless you.